some devil's food cake today, and every table right now is working on making their batter, their chocolate devil's food cake batter. And then a little bit later, we're going to be making some marshmallow frosting to go on that cake and some caramel buttercream. We're using mixers right now to make our two-stage cake batter. And what that is we've got like our cocoa powder and our flour, and then we beat in our shortening and our eggs using these mixers and our paddle attachments to rehydrate the batter so it's nice and creamy, and then we'll be able to pour those into our cake pans and bake them up.